So I say hi or anything like that? Okay. Hi, I'm Scott with Boss Landscape. No, start over. Hi, I'm Scott Boss with Boss Landscape in Charlevoix, Michigan. Been in business since 2004, doing hardscapes and different landscape projects. Keith was a coach of my son's football team, and he was asking around who did projects of this caliber, and our name was given to him. So we met, and over the course of a year of planning, we got the project finalized as to what we were going to do. So originally when Keith and I were talking, we were looking at just replacing his old rotted deck. And he had ideas of which product he wanted to use, which we discussed and came up with a plan to build a new porch. And at that time, while we were walking around looking, we were talking about outdoor fireplaces, and he said they would love to have one. So then we devised the plan to get him an outdoor fireplace with a walkway. Then as the project progressed and progressed, we added a walkway in the front and some side walls and regrading to his lawn to give usable space for the kids to play games. We chose Belvedere Wall on this project to match with the house and the setting around. There's a golf course in our backdrop with a nice tree line here, and it just tied all nicely together with that Belvedere Wall. We also went with all the flat work. We were using dimensional flagstone. The homeowners decided to go with a gas dimensional fireplace. It was a great choice for this setting. The other thing the Carries really wanted was to incorporate their hot tub. So we were able to build a wall around the hot tub, and instead of it being a raised up step into hot tub, now they could step down into their hot tub.
I watched them install this on any number of, out front, back here. I watched them install the pavers, and the care and the attention to detail that the crew had and that our contractor had was just incredible. And I watched one of those fellas agonize over 1/8 of an inch. He was going to make sure that it was done right. I knew that we had partnered with the right contractor, the right crew. They weren't here to get the job done and get out. They were here to get the job done beautifully and surpass expectations.
My breath was taken. It was everything I could have wanted and never imagined. I think with where we're at in our life, it's really perfect for creating big friend events and just those really intimate moments.
It was nice being able to have them trust in our company and myself to take this to the next level, to make it be a place for their family to enjoy for years to come. In 2004, I started this company with my wife, and originally we were just mowing and doing small landscape jobs. And as we grew together and we were hiring employees, things just progressed. As years progressed and we were able to hire more people, it gave us the ability to take on bigger and bigger projects, buy more and more equipment, and allow us to do projects like this for the Carries. We offer consultation services to meet with you and look at your existing landscaping and see what we can help you improve upon. If you're in any need of hardscapes, landscapes, anything for your outdoor needs, we'd love to hear from you. Perfect.